Assalamu alaikum, brothers. Brothers, how are you? I think you are fine. Brothers, as you are watching that two water tanks at my roof, and you are watching that both have been covered. You are surprising that why these water tanks have been covered. What reason behind this? You are also watching in my area, as well as you can also observe by your area that several water tanks are without cover. So why these water tanks have been covered? What reason behind to this? What is its benefit and what is disadvantage of uncover the water tanks? Today in today video, basically I shall inform you that what is the benefit of covering these water tanks. Basically, brothers, as you are watching that several water tanks, you are well know that these water tanks are used to store the water for house usage, and as during the warm season, when sunlight is falling on these water tank plastic body is hot, and later on its chemical is mixed into the water, which is harmful for your body. Sometime it is harmful for your skin, and sometimes it is harmful for your air fallen problem. So looking to these points, I covered it with little bitter things available in my house, and only one thing I purchase from the market. So in this video I inform you that how I cover these water tanks. First of all, brother, I introduce that on daily basis I upload a video at my channel with different idea, with different guidance. So sometime it will save your money, and sometimes it will save your precise time, and sometimes the guidance is such type which is helpful for your somehow in different scenario. So brother, as you are watching, first of all I purchased thermocol sheet from the market, and I cut it with the hot knife, approximately 2 to 3 inch long, and I cover it, I rolled it around to the water tank, and later on wastage of my all house, as like cemented bag, as like banners etc, I roped it properly, as you are watching. You well know that thermocol sheet has advantage to save. It is hot proof as well as cool proof. So any hot or cooled cannot pass through it. So it is the advantage. So due to this, Alhamdulillah, I am receiving water during warm as cool, and during winter as hot, because it is the nature that it is nature. Brother, you well aware that it is the natural thing that during a winter season, as and when I receive, I get water from the earth, it is hot, and during summer, as and when we get water from the earth through a water pump, we receive in a cool. So as and when in a same condition, the water is stored there, and I receive it in a routine, in a same manner, because the atmosphere outside atmosphere is not affecting to water tanks. So due to this, I receive the same without affecting by the outside weather. So I request you that you should also cover your water tanks, as you are watching, with these things which I have already explained, so you can avoid a number of disease, as well as get fresh water as you receive from the earth without any hurdle, and through you also can save your life number of other disease. So this was the tip, this was the guidance which I want to share with you. I think you liked it. If you liked it, kindly share it with others. and also subscribe to my channel so you can get different tips on daily basis. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.